Hi, I'm Vita, and I would like to tell you what happened to us when we bought bed and mattress from dreams.co.uk. We spent about £2,000 and we bought it in August, paid in full, and that's what we got 3 months later. So this is the mattress, and that's how it collapsed on the side. This is how the other side looks at the moment. We obviously contacted Dreams. They sent an engineer within a week. The engineer came and looked at the mattress and said, yep, it's all fine, no problems at all. He did some silly measurement with the string and he said to me, you shouldn't sit on a mattress, so you only have to lie on a mattress. And to be honest, I couldn't believe how you could not sit on a mattress, or why you shouldn't, especially on such an expensive mattress, why you should watch what you do on it. And he said that our call was false. He's gonna send a report to Dreams that all is okay. Obviously, I didn't take it. I sent to Dreams an email. They said that they will respond within 7 days. We're still waiting. But I left a review on dreams.co.uk. My review was refused and not published. I left review on TrustPoint, and that's when they contacted me straight away. First, they said that I will have to pay for the second engineer, but then they decided that they will pay, and they sent me the second engineer now on 15th of December. So we will see. But it doesn't matter, I'm not gonna accept it. The mattress is not right. It shouldn't be like that in 3 months. And they don't trust it. Even so, we sent pictures, we sent videos. I don't understand. It's not like we're saying something wrong and it's not visible. And even they say how they want to protect us in COVID times, they still want to send another person. Anyway, if somebody had the same problem as we did, please leave a comment. Let's get in touch, maybe together. It will be even more powerful. But I'm not gonna leave it like that. We're gonna go to the local customer support, local trading standard, local to ombudsman. But it's just not right that we paid so much money and now I have to spend my time, get upset about things that shouldn't really happen. They know they're in the wrong, why they just don't want to amend it as they should. Thank you so much for watching, and I will update how it's going on for us. Thank you, bye.